Welcome to FASTCAN 2025, an experience that was built by FlightbridgeED that's being brought to Canada for the first time through a new partnership with FlightbridgeED and Your Medics. We're excited to bring you to Calgary, Alberta for September 2nd to 4th, 2025 for the Canadian Paramedic Conference of the Year at the BMO Center downtown. The main conference is going to be September 3rd and 4th, where you're going to get world-class education that's worth more than 16 hours of continuing education credits. They're approved in BC, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and the United States. We're bringing together the best in the industry with over 15 expert speakers. These will be insightful talks and real-world skills that you can apply right away and delivered in 20-minute TED Talk style sessions so you're never bored. And we take care of you. Your lunch is going to be provided on the main conference day, September 3rd and 4th, as well as dinner for our social event on September 3rd evening. If you want even more, join our pre-conference sessions on September 2nd for an additional deep dive into specialized topics available at an additional cost. Get ready to grow, connect, and learn at FASTCAN 2025, and spaces are limited, so don't wait. Register today and secure your spot at the premier Canadian Conference of the Year. See you there.